This week our portfolio gained 2.13%, which is a great return, so let's take a look at what went on in this very big week. Here is our portfolio overview. This week we didn't deposit any funds into our account, keeping the activity in our portfolio pretty quiet this week. The one adjustment in our portfolio was the closing of one of our Amazon positions before their earnings report. We took profits of just over 23% and invested those funds into a new holding for us in El Estee Lauder. Here are events from the week. This was a huge week with a lot of things going on. The first big events going on were the earnings reports from tech giants like Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, and many other reports that came out. The Fed meeting took place on Tuesday and Wednesday. The Fed raised rates by 25 basis points and gave some guidance to what could come. They said with the inflation coming down they could begin to ease rate rises, however Powell gave no real guidance as to when rate cuts could start. The jobs number came in very strong at 517,000 new jobs for January. Comparatively speaking, the wage numbers came in weaker, which is a good thing for the wage inflation scenario. Overall, many feel that this week has given more signs that a soft landing is becoming more possible and that a recession may not be as bad as many may have thought it would be. Here are the results from our weekly poll. I asked which of the following major tech giants investors would rather invest in, and here is what 323 investors said. Apple 37.15%, Amazon 29.72%, Alphabet 16.10%, Meta 17.03%. Be sure to jump in this coming week's poll on eToro. Subscribe to follow along on our portfolio. If you would like to invest with me on eToro, use the link below to get $50 after you deposit and invest your first $100. If you have questions, please feel free to comment below.